Let me show you how to make your own tea bread at home. And with this process, it is super easy and fast to recreate. Okay. If you are new here, I am Hirat and you're welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. In a bowl, I will go in with my lukewarm water and then go in with 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and then go in with my sugar. Give it a good mix for everything to be well combined. Kitchen. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe. I will then add my flour, and here you can find all the measurements down below in the description. I added a pinch of salt and then allowed the machine to do the job for me. But if you don't have the machine, don't worry at all. You can just do the mixing with your spatula and you're good to go. So at this point, I added some margarine and you can add butter as well. So I will allow it to knead it for at least 30 minutes. Next, I am going to transfer the dough into a greased bowl with some oil, and then I will cover it and allow it to rest for 30 minutes or till it doubles in size. And make sure to put it at a warm place, okay? So here it has doubled in size, and I am going to give it a punch to be able to release the air in it. So after that, I will flour my surface and then transfer the dough onto my surface, divide it into the pieces I want, into the number of pieces I want to have. So here I divided them into 4 pieces. And here it's like the dough was a bit soft. So I added small bit of some flour for it to be good to go. But if you want it to be really soft, as in the pan not to be very soft like that, just leave it like that and then continue with your rolling, okay? So just watch closely how I'm rolling the bread and then do it the exact way and your bread will be very perfect, okay? Mhm. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so right now before you forget, okay? And please, I am on all social media platforms as Hirat's Kitchen. Do well and follow me there as well. Thank you so much in advance. So this is it, and I will continue till I'm done with everything. Channel, new video every week. Ring the bell and get notified when we upload. Uh, and here I am going to dust my tray before I transfer the breads on it because I don't want it to stick to the pan. But here you can use a baking paper as well. So I will arrange them carefully. Dishes. I want kitchen go show you how to prepare them. Everything food. I want kitchen. Everything food. I want kitchen. Everything food. And here I will make sure to sift some flour on top of the bread to give me that tea bread we are looking for, okay? But you can skip this part if you don't like it. Local and continental dishes. Kitchen will show you. I will cover it and allow it to rest for 30 minutes whilst my oven is preheating or till it doubles in size. So now it has doubled in size and it is ready to be baked. So I will bake it till I'm okay with the consistency. I don't know how your oven is, so I can't give you the exact time, okay? So just like this, and our bread is ready. But if you want a brown bread, then you can do it that way, okay? And if you don't want it to be this way too, just do what works best for you. Okay. So just see the bread. So fluffy, soft, and the aroma. Oh my God. The bread was so good, guys. So here, if you get your tea, yeah, just good to go. Or you can pair it with your porridge or even drink. So, guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please make sure to like this video, share this video to as many people as you can, okay? And don't forget to subscribe and then hit the notification bell for you to be notified anytime I drop a new video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.